Unraveling the mystery of why cats knead. Do you know why cats knead? This charming behavior has deeper meanings rooted in their early life. Let's uncover the mystery behind this adorable feline trait. Cats often push their paws in and out against a soft surface. It's a motion that seems almost rhythmic, resembling the act of making biscuits. When cats knead, it's not just random pawing. This action is deeply connected to their memories of kittenhood. As kittens, they knead their mother's belly to stimulate milk flow. This instinctive motion is both practical and soothing for them. Kneading brings a sense of comfort to cats. It evokes the safety and warmth they felt while nursing from their mother. Adult cats continue to knead even though they no longer need milk. This behavior remains a source of relaxation and contentment. Cats often knead when they are feeling particularly comfortable or happy. It's a sign that they are in a secure and loving environment. Some experts believe kneading is also a way for cats to mark their territory. Their paws have scent glands that leave behind a subtle scent. Kneading can also be a form of stretching. The movement helps to keep their muscles supple and flexible. When your cat kneads your lap, consider it a compliment. They are trusting you and showing that they feel safe with you. It's important to let your cat knead without interruption. This natural behavior is an expression of their happiness and well-being. Next time you see your cat kneading, remember, it's more than just a cute quirk. It's a glimpse into their deepest feelings and instincts.